Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I described a possible scenario, and it played out almost perfectly over the past 24 hours. Let's rewind and look at what happened. Zooming into the daily view, we still see new long interest forming down to around 113,000 in the short term. Could we see a brief dip to sweep that area before another push toward 116,000? It's possible. I may consider placing conditional entries around these levels if price pulls back further. A deeper correction toward 113,000 would take us back to the same zone touched during the Sunday to Monday rally, when Bitcoin briefly dipped before launching higher again. After bouncing from the 114,000 level back to around 115.5 thousand and getting rejected there, a move down toward 113,000 became almost inevitable when reading the heat map correctly, just as shown in yesterday's clip. Now we're seeing some support forming at the 200 EMA on the 1-hour chart after clearing that 113,000 liquidity pocket. The wave trend indicator has also flashed a green dot, which could hint at a possible upward reaction from the current area near 112.7 thousand. Still, this weakness showing up right before the FOMC meeting isn't ideal, especially since that meeting is widely expected to bring a positive tone later today. I resized one of my positions to approximately 113,000 and am looking to scale back into it once signals indicating another upward trend are confirmed. Looking again at the heat maps, after sweeping the 113,000 pocket, we can now see fresh long interest stepping in around 111.7 and 110.7 thousand. The hottest level on the 3-day heat map remains above us at 116.6 thousand, which could suggest a possible move higher once this short-term volatility settles. Overall, the heat maps are fairly balanced both above and below the current range, though there's a slight bias toward the upside around 116,000. The big question now is whether today's FOMC meeting will be the spark that pushes Bitcoin upward, or if the anticipated 25 basis point rate cut has already been fully priced in by the market. Meanwhile, the latest Bitcoin spot ETF inflow data closed very strong. Institutional activity increased by roughly $202 million, led primarily by ARK, Fidelity, and BlackRock. That marks yet another day of steady institutional confidence flowing into Bitcoin. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. If you got value from this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.